To dzisiaj tak czasem na pierogi wygląda. Chociaż sklejące jest, ok. To poczekamy trochę. Może 15 minut i ja trochę dodam mąki, może jeszcze nie kleiło się, ale nie trzeba dużo. Okay, so now it's going to be a little bit easier to roll out. Add a little bit of flour if I need to, not too sticky like before. This one's go back. I'll work with this one. So be rolled out. Make a pierogi. Alright, thank you. Okay, this is how they look so far. Problem is too small. So come out with a small one. I need something a little bit bigger. I'm going to try this guy. Go around. Okay, so it's like a little bit left. And there's a good size for me too. Yeah, it's calling you always have to try cup. Doesn't work, too small, no good. What is that not? I used to put them in. Still could fall apart. Ready? Trochę wypływamy. Mały też wyszedł. A tutaj jak pokleją się, to musi zmove it with something. Zrobić wishbone.